Hey guys, Mouse74. Just want to do another quick video of what it's doing outside. It's Saturday, February 5th. Just when you think it was done snowing, I think not. Yeah, so I think we're supposed to get another couple more inches on top of what we already have. So yeah, this is kind of a bit of a crazy weather. So this is Mouse74. Just want to do another quick update on what the weather's like outside. So as I said, we're supposed to get another. That's what I heard. We're supposed to get another couple more inches. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, support the mouse, and take it easy, guys. Take care. So here we are, Saturday night at 6:30, and it's still snowing. It hasn't stopped snowing probably since like 9 o'clock this morning. So it's coming down pretty good. So I'm guessing we got about 10 to 12 inches so far. And I just got done shoveling my driveway. So you can see how tall the snow is getting. And so I kind of have to throw the snow over the hill of the snow so I can make room for more. And this is the other side of my driveway. It's just a total mess. The roads are just covered. It just makes it hard for people to drive on them. So it's snowing pretty well. It's coming down pretty good too. And you can see the snow trucks coming, just plowing the roads, trying to clear them out and whatnot. And he's gonna go right by my driveway and put the snow right back where it belongs. After I just got done shoveling it. That's alright. Push it right back in there.